Looking for a blender that's both powerful and easy to handle? The BLACK+DECKER 10-speed blender offers exactly that with its lightweight design and versatile features. Whether you want to whip up smoothies, soups, or frozen drinks, this blender promises smooth results without the bulk or hassle. What sets this blender apart is its 6-cup, 48-ounce plastic jar that's surprisingly easy to manage. It features a PerfectPour spout that prevents drips and spills, so you can pour with confidence every time. The clear measuring lid doubles as a 1-ounce cup, making it simple to add precise amounts without extra tools. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Its pitcher, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe, saving you time after every use. Inside, the 4-point multi-level stainless steel blade works efficiently to blend ingredients quickly and evenly. With 10 speeds and a pulse function, you have full control to achieve the perfect texture, whether chunky or smooth. The blender runs on standard 120 volts power, making it compatible with most kitchens across the U.S. One satisfied user shared how this blender exceeded expectations during vacation trips. Despite owning a heavier-duty model, they chose this lighter, more affordable option for daily smoothies. It matched the performance of their larger blender, blending fast and smoothly while being easier to clean and store. After multiple trips, it's still holding strong, proving its durability and value. If you're someone who values convenience without sacrificing blending power, this BLACK+DECKER model is worth a look. It's perfect for busy households, travelers, or anyone who wants a reliable blender that doesn't take up much space. The combination of a user-friendly design, multiple speed options, and dishwasher-safe parts means you get more done with less effort. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with a blender that balances power and portability? The BLACK+DECKER 10-speed blender delivers consistent results and easy cleanup, making it a smart addition to your countertop. Try it when you're ready to blend smarter, not harder.